Hypothesis. It is defined as a proposition placed under examination which cannot be accepted as true unless proven and tested statistically.
There is two kinds of hypothesis. The first one is null hypothesis. This expresses the idea of no existence of relationship or difference between the variable under study. It is the hypothesis which is tested and rejected or not rejected. The second one, alternative hypothesis. This is the opposite of the null hypothesis. It is the hypothesis that the researcher tries to establish.
Some important things to know before conducting a test hypothesis. Level of significance. Some of the common values for the level of significance are 0.1 and 0.05. If the problem does not specify any level of significance, a default value is used, which is 0.05.
Two-tailed test. First, one-tailed test. This is performed when the alternative hypothesis is concerned with values, specifically below or above an exact value of a null hypothesis.
Two-tailed test. This is performed when the alternative hypothesis is concerned with values that are not equal to an exact value of the null hypothesis.
Test statistics. This is the value generated from the sample data. This is the test value to be compared with the critical values.
Steps in testing a hypothesis. Here's some keywords to remember. Step 1. Formulate the null and alternative hypothesis. Step 2. Set the level of significance. Step 3. Determine the appropriate test statistic to be used. Step 4. Determine the critical value or tabular value for the test. Step 5. Compute the value of the statistical test. Step 6. Compare the computed value with its corresponding tabular value. Then state your conclusion. Step 7. Interpret the results. Here's the formula for z-test. Here's the formula for t-test.
The example of z-test.
Every day, he giving me that good shit. Ikaw ko na. That make me not good. Hypothesis. It's true unless proven and Dumatawa ko yun siya. Nang pause, anong pause, Ken?
Yung mga rin na
Bilis!
Hypothesis. It is defined as nakakasalina. Hypothesis. Examination which cannot be accepted. Tinatawa.
Hindi naman magdagyan legs ko.
Yeah. Kapali. Hypothesis. It is...
Step 5. Compute the value of the statistical test.
Sabi pa na.
Step
Compare and conclude.
Ayaw mo pala.
Look ka pa.
Tanida na, makahihilok-lukan.
Ang itim mo. Ay, joke. Test yung ano.
Game na!
Sagling camera, di siya nag...
Gumisan na yan.
Baka nag-makaises yung wifi.
Dalagyan ka tam success lang alam mo ko.
Okay. Erito nga ko yung SMB nito. The third one. Sis na mo lalo. Panisis na. Game na makaramdam na kayo. Naku, dyan. Report na.
Oh, ika na mo yan.
Third one. Test statistics. This is the value generated. Matalis si
Oh, bagay yan!
Ay, bag na yan, bag na yan.
Ba't umiitim ka?
Kingiyabit na po.
Hoy, makwaken. Shoo.
Hoy, Stalina, mali yung pass na nilagay mo.
Game na.
Mali.
Hindi ko alam na lang yung akin. Mahina niya.
Yan.
Game.
Meron pa, sige pa. Dali pa. Nandito sa'yo.
Game. Ayan, test statistics. Ano?
Wait daw.
Test statistics. This is the puta.
Isa.
Huwag niyo na akong seryoso na kayo.
Seryoso na. Ito kaya mo.
Test there ulit. The third
Tal!
Hoy! Game na! The third one. Test statistics.
Wait, maitim ka.
Puta ni. Inakaya ka agad sabihan.
Ready.
Third one.
Bukan ni Gamo.
Isa! Nakapost kaya siya sa likod mo.
The third one, the third one.
Kaninin the third one. Third one.
Oh, 6 minutes na. Uy, 6
Game
minutes
na.
na. Isa.
The third one.
Diba wala kayo na yan.
Sis na, basibasan daw.
Hindi na siya natapos.
Third one. Test statistics. This is the puta naman. Seryoso na ako.